Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktadang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. Oops. We have here the Knight of Cups and Justice card. The Hierophant and the Three of Wands. Page of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. The Five of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Ace of Wands, bottom card natin. Ako. Mukhang uso na naman yun dahil siguro sa Mercury retrograde, no? Ayan, kaya uso na naman ng mga paramdaman ngayon dahil ghost month pati. Ako, mukhang magpaparamdam na naman. May magpaparamdam na naman sa'yo. So, tingnan natin to message ng Archangel natin. So, itong taon to magpaparamdam sa'yo ngayon ay maaaring may strong Libra placement. Ayan. So, nasa malayong lugar. Stalking you. We have here Crystal Clear Intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. Ayan, so dahil Mercury retrograde and ghost month, so talagang paparamdam pa rin tong taong ito. Hindi niya mapipigilan pa, kaya paparamdam na to ngayon. Ayan, so tingnan natin. Mga signs and symbol cards. So, usong-uso yan ngayon eh. Makikiuso. Maraming makikiuso na magparamdam. So, itong taong to, ready mo na yung mga drama niya sa buhay, mga kadramahan niya na ilalatag niya once magparamdam to sa'yo. Marami siyang kadramahan na i-share sa'yo, kaya ready mo na. We have here Scissors. So, matagal na kayong cut off ang communication. Bonfire. Luck. Newspaper. Kasi siguro wala na siya masagap na balita tungkol sa'yo. Kaya, ayan, talagang gagawa na siya ng move. Ayan, tatawag talaga to. Ayan, makikipag-usap, tatawag, alamin maring late night talks, during the night, madaling araw, ganyan. Mukhang pa to drunk call. Ganyan. So, kuha tayo ng mga messages. Okay, so we have here, I'm so in love with you until now. Mahal ka pa rin daw niya. And I want you back. Husband-wife material, strong and independent, feeling left out in the cold. You're so sweet and caring. Can we start again? And I can't decide. So, may mga undecided. Ayan to pa, can I call you? Ayan, nagtabi pa sila. Ayan. So, mahal ka pa rin itong taong to, no? Isa sa mga hindi maka-move on dyan. Ayan, mga past person na hindi maka-move on. Kuha pa tayo ng mga madamdaming messages niya dito. Talagang emotional tong taong to. Ilalabas niya lahat to. Kaya mag-ready ka na ng tissue. Magkakaiyakan pa kayo dyan. Kasi maraming dramang ilalabas tong taong to. I will wait for a sign from you. I love you. Ayan, love bombing na ito. I know that I crossed the line with you. I'm becoming a better person. So, sinasabi niyo, malayo na daw siya sa dati. Becoming a better person na siya. I don't react when people mention you. I couldn't let you get close to me. I wish I could share my good news with you, and it's time for me to heal now. Bottom card, I want to be more than friends. So, siguro nagkahiwalay kayo, parang sinabi niya lang maging magkaibigan na lang kayo. Ayan. So, marami siyang gustong i-share sa'yo. Ito yung mga good news na ito, with this newspaper, and parang gusto kanyang isama sa kanyang mga achievements in life, celebration sa mga achievements niya. Kung promotion to, ganyan. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Oops. M, E, K, MEC. U, S, H, T, L. T, L ako sa'yo. Hoy! True love. Oy, ikaw daw ang true love niya eh. X, C, TLC, take care, cause I care. I, tender loving care pala yun, no? N, G, bottom card. Ayan, so kuha tayo ng blue card. Ayan, another celebration. Manipulation and balance. And sa ating general signs and the messages. We have here, smart. Number 4, green-minded. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Good heart, December. Practical, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Long distance, and may other country pa. Karmic relationship pa. Party animal, hilarious, caring. Present lovers, killer smile, May. Leo sign, skin tag. Number 2, August, twin flame again, and soulmate. We have very soon. High expectations, very serious. Luzon and Capricorn. So, ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.